Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of cheerleading costumes with a spotlight on the Bring It On Cheerleader costume for women by Materuis. If you're a fan of the iconic cheerleading movie and want to channel that spirited look, this might just be the costume for you. This costume stands out as one of the best Bring It On inspired outfits on the market. Made from high-quality polyester, it ensures durability and comfort. The classic V-neck top paired with a matching skirt perfectly captures the essence of cheerleader uniforms seen in the movies. The fabric is designed for both style and ease of care, with a hand-wash-only instruction to maintain its vibrant colors and shape. Available in 5 adult sizes, it caters to a range of body types, ensuring a good fit for everyone. Inspired directly by the hit movie Bring It On, this costume features the distinctive RCH print, adding an authentic touch that fans will appreciate. Whether you're gearing up for a themed party, Halloween, or simply want to relive those cheerleading moments, this costume delivers on both style and nostalgia. Now, let's talk about what customers are saying. They love the appearance of this coordinated outfit, often commenting on how closely it resembles the original. However, it's important to note that some customers have mentioned sizing issues and varying opinions on material quality. While many praise its appearance and overall design, there are mixed reviews regarding fit and material. It's advised to refer to the size chart before making your purchase to ensure the best fit possible. To sum up, if you're looking to stand out at your next event or simply want to add a bit of cheerleader flair to your wardrobe, the Bring It On Cheerleader costume for women from Materuis is a top contender. With its authentic movie-inspired design and comfortable fabric, it promises to bring the spirit of cheerleading right to your doorstep. That wraps up our review of this fantastic costume. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay stylish and spirited.